Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just another seasonal refresh, it represents a seismic leap in the realm of rugged, high-performance wearables. If you're hunting for a compelling reason to upgrade or enter Apple's premium wearable landscape, Ultra 3 might be the game-changer. Release timeline and strategic launch window. The Ultra 3 is rumored to debut in September 2025, timed alongside the iPhone 17 Pro Max and Apple Watch Series 11. This orchestrated unveiling isn't accidental, it's Apple's classic ecosystem moment strategy, creating a powerful synergy across devices. The Ultra may third well steal the spotlight as the outdoor smartwatch of the year. Design evolution, refined ruggedness. Apple rarely overhauls the Ultra's bold aesthetic, the muscular, high-end titanium chassis stays. Yet Ultra 3 introduces key refinements: redesigned rear housing inspired by Series X, compact internals, denser layout, stronger wireless coil, and smarter thermal routing. A potential integrated antenna under the back case to boost 5G RedCap connectivity and satellite reception without bulky modules. This isn't a facelift, it's a silent structural refinement that improves durability, performance, and thermal stability in ways you can feel during long outdoor treks or intense workouts. Display, smarter LTPO optimization. Rather than switching to mini LED or micro LED, Apple continues with its proven LTPO OLED Retina always-on display, but sharply enhances viewing angles, reportedly up to 40% wider clarity, so graphics stay crisp even when your wrist is tilted. Combined with dynamic refresh scaling from 60 Hz down to 1 Hz, you get real-time visuals like heart rate animations while massively preserving battery life. This isn't just a flashier panel, it's a power-efficient high-contrast display tailored for real-world environmental use. Performance, the all-new S11 chip. After 2 generations of marginal upgrades, Apple is powering the Ultra series with the new S11 chipset. AI-accelerated health data processing. Rapid app launches. watchOS 26 features running fluidly. Improved heat dissipation, essential for continuous outdoor tracking. The S11 isn't merely a speed bump, it's a foundation for next-gen AI health analytics, robust sensor fusion, and smarter satellite communications, all while preserving battery endurance. Full satellite connectivity, independent wrist communication. Ultra 3 is expected to unlock full satellite messaging and calling, even without an iPhone. Beyond SOS fallback, this is real-time satellite texting, emergency calling, and info retrieval anywhere: mountain summits, open ocean, or isolated backcountry trails. While Apple may initially offer a bundled trial and then optional subscription, this level of iPhone-free satellite independence challenges Garmin, Suunto, and other adventure watch veterans. 5G RedCap integration, efficient cellular on the wrist. Ultra 3 is likely switching to MediaTek RedCap modems, optimized for ultra-small wearables, lower power consumption, cooler thermal profile, reasonable data speeds, ideal for health sync and messaging. This leaner 5G offers just enough connectivity to keep features like remote watchOS updates, fitness sharing, and satellite coordination running smoothly without draining uptime. Charging and battery life, fast, optimized, and reliable. Rumors point to an upgraded wireless charging coil and redesigned internals that could shave recharging to 30 minutes or less for 80%. Combined with watchOS 20 SIXS power-saving tweaks, this means rapid top UPS between outdoor session systems that stay active under heavy multi-sensor use. Unexpectedly extended all-day battery, even with always-on display. Engaged health intelligence, overhauled vital sign monitoring. Apple is pushing deeper into proactive wellness with Ultra 3 blood pressure trend tracking. While not diagnostic, it monitors changes and flags hypertension risks over time. Continued evolution of SpO2 tracking, with Apple working to re-enable full global functionality, pending resolution of legal or patent roadblocks. Glucose monitoring preview, a potential launch by 2026/2027. Extremely ambitious due to miniaturization and regulatory demands, these upgrades position the Ultra 3 not merely as a sports accessory but as a mobile health insights platform offering long-term wellness metrics. watchOS 26, software that elevates hardware. This latest OS builds on Ultra 3's hardware, introducing wrist flick gesture to dismiss notifications, AI-powered watch suggestions, enhanced fitness widgets, and real-time coaching overlays, deeper satellite control interface, smarter battery usage based activity reminders. The software and hardware synergize tightly, delivering a holistic wearable experience. Ultra 3 steps into an entirely new league, blending rugged wearable form factor with health-first ambition and outdoor independence. Why it matters: benefits for you adventurers and outdoor workers. Now have a watch that's truly untethered, no reliance on iPhone or cell towers. Athletes and fitness buffs get faster processing, smarter sensors, and responsive analytics. Health-minded users gain trend tracking and alerts without judgment. Usable every day, Ultra enthusiasts experience meaningful upgrades in every layer: hardware, display, battery, and software. If you're looking for a future-proof wearables investment, Ultra 3 redefines what a smartwatch can be. In summary, the Apple Watch Ultra 3, expected in September 2025, represents the most ambitious Apple wearable yet. With the S11 chip, full satellite messaging and calling, 5G RedCap, smarter health analytics, redesigned internals, and software features in watchOS 26, it sets a new bar for premium rugged smartwatches. This isn't evolutionary, it's revolutionary. Thanks for tuning in. Curious how Ultra 3 compares with Garmin or Suunto models, or what kinds of outdoor athletes will benefit most? Let me know.